Hello my besties, how are you? In today's video, I'm bringing to you a classic fresh Christmas garland at hardly any cost. It will bring so much beauty and fragrance to any home. Are you ready? Press thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. All you need is rope and paddle wire, and then any greenery and pine cones that you can gather outside. What I like to do is take my dog on a walk and feed two birds with one scone. Don't forget to take with you some scissors and a bag, so when you see something, it's gonna be easy to clip it. Look at this beautiful long needle pine, and it's laying low. It would get cut anyway. Cut more than you think you're gonna need, because you will. Look at Coco waiting so patiently. Let's pick up some pine cones as well. And I love free supplies from the outside, don't you? I think we are good to go. I also have some hedges that I can clip in my own backyard, so we're good to go. Let's go, Coco. You've been such a good girl. Please leave me some pine emojis if you are enjoying this video so far. So when we get home, I'm going to clip everything to smaller pieces, and let me show you what I got here. Long needle pine, some juniper, some boxwood, and also some holly for the pop of red color. First, we are going to prepare our pine cones. You take a piece of wire, wrap it around the top of your pine cone, hold it and twist it around a couple times. And since my pine cone has that longer stem, I also wrap around there a couple times as well. Create like a fake stem, so it makes it easy to attach your pine cones to the garland. Do that with all your pine cones. Next, cut your rope the length that you need your garland to be, for example, length of my railing. We have our greenery cut to smaller pieces already, so this is going to be real easy. We'll take a couple pieces of each, put one on top of the other. Actually, boxwood is more sturdy, so how about I put it underneath to hold those needles. I love the wispy look of the needles. Some juniper. Oh, look at that. That's why I think mixing different texture is key. And then pop of red. Oh, look how gorgeous. Cut the stems, even them out. And then we are going to tie those little bundles with a wire. Wrap it around a few times real tight. And we are going to attach it to our rope. We are not going to cut the wire. Wrap it around real tight a few more times, just like that. I dropped my rope on the floor, and we are going to make the second bundle. And if you like, you can make exact same bundles, one on top of the other, or you can make a pattern and alternate. Like, for example, I don't have that much juniper and holly, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some pine in between. Let me show you. So this bundle, we just got pine, boxwood, and a pine cone. Attach it to the garland, slightly overlapping the previous bundle, and tie it tightly. Take a look at that. Isn't that beautiful? We are going to repeat the same pattern over and over until we reach the end of the rope. Okay, put it on, slightly overlapping, and tie it tightly with your wire. I don't know if it translates on camera, but in real life, it's just so beautiful. Nothing like beauty of nature. And I can just imagine how much we would have to spend for the real touch greenery. And I know in today's times, and so many people cannot afford to spend much on their decorations this year. So this is such an affordable option. So I continue making those beautiful bundles. Look how pretty. And I had to move down to the floor because I just couldn't fit on the table anymore, and just continue tying them down. And that's my second type of bundle that I add in between the ones with the berries. Oopsie, forgot my pine cone. Let me just attach it right there. Okay, the next bundle with the berry. And as we reach the end of the garland, we want to finish off with a beautiful bundle, and you want to tie it down in the opposite direction so it ends the same way that it starts. And let's just tie it tightly. And you might want to get some extra pine and just cover up that point where you connected two bundles and that wire was showing. And finally, you can cut your wire and tie it over there underneath. I just checked the pricing. Compatible fresh garland like mine, 12 feet long, is anywhere from $70 to $100. So definitely worth making your own. Just learn a lesson from me and wear your gloves. Oh, that pine sap was still worth it. I love my garlands. Actually, I made two for the outside railings. It was nighttime by the time I finished, so I couldn't take a picture for you. And then I woke up in the morning to this. And here are my beautiful luscious garlands, nicely preserved under a white fluffy blankets. Thank you so much for watching, my besties. I hope you give it a try and see you next time. Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.